Good morning, students. Today's topic is Lewis dot structure. These structures that give the information about the picture of bonding in the molecules and the ions in the term of the shared pair of electrons and the octet rule. This is called as Lewis dot structure. Now, what are the steps for writing the Lewis dot structure? First step is count the valence electrons. Second step, put the least electronegative atom in the center with the other atom around it. Like this. This is the central atom around this. This is the least electronegative atom as compared to oxygen, and this is central atom and other atoms around it. Step number 3, draw a single bond to the central atom. Step number 4, complete the octet on the outside atoms. These are the outer atoms, and add the remaining electrons to the central atom. Point number 5, if the central atom does not have an octet, then move the electron from outer atom to form double or triple bond. Here double bond is present because central atom octet is not complete. Then it will form a double bond. So these are the 5 steps for writing the Lewis dot structure. Now, with the help of example, we can easily understand. Suppose this is the example of hydrogen H2. Here, total valence electrons in the case of hydrogen, that is equal to 1. But here 2 hydrogen are present, so it will 2. This hydrogen and this hydrogen having 1 valence electrons, having 1 valence electrons. In the step number 2, put the electronegative atom at the center. So here 2 atoms are present, so these are form linear structure. Now next, step number 3, draw a single bond to the central atom, so it will form a single bond because hydrogen having 1 electron, this also having 1 electron, it will form a single bond. Now complete the octet on outside atom. In case of hydrogen, only 1 electron is present here, 1 electron is present here, it will form only 2 electrons, means doublet form. So this structure is form hydrogen single bond hydrogen. Now next is O3, ozone. In this case, step number 1, count the valence electrons. So here oxygen having 6 electrons, valence electrons, multiply 3, that is equal to 18 electrons. In this case also 1 electrons of each hydrogen, and how many hydrogen? 2. So that is equal to 2 electrons. So this one 2, 1 and 2. In this case total 18 electrons are present. So first of all, we draw this type of structure: oxygen, oxygen and oxygen. This oxygen is the central atom, and put the other atoms around it. Step number 3, make a single bond around it. Single bond 1, 2, single bond are formed. After that, complete the octet on the outside atom of this one. This oxygen atom having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 valence electrons. This oxygen have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Complete our form. And it will make a single bond. only single. After that double bond is formed. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 electrons are complete. In this case 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 are completed. In this case 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Here 8 are completed. And after that surrounding atoms that have to complete their octet. How it is possible? This one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This octet is complete. In this case this is central atom, this case this is surrounding atom. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. ऑक्टेट मीन्स 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. इसके भी 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंप्लीट है, इसके भी 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंप्लीट है. अब ओनली लेफ्ट सेंट्रल एटम. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 electrons are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. These electrons are present here. So in this case here we form a double bond, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 are left, so it will form a double bond with this atom. So here positive charge is present and this having negative charge. So total 18 electrons are present. Count these electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. So this structure is correct. Here next example is carbonate, CO3 2 negative. Carbon having valence electrons, that is this carbon having 4 valence electrons plus oxygen having 6. 3 oxygen atom are present, so multiply by 3 plus 2 is the valency minus 2, so here you write the plus 2. After that 24 electrons are present in the form of carbonate. First draw these electrons. Suppose this is oxygen atom. Oxygen having 6 valence electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This oxygen also having 1 2 3 4 5 6. This oxygen also having 1 2 3 4 5 6. Ab remaining is carbon only. Carbon having 4 valence electrons. So 1 2 3 4. So write this. First of all you will make a single bond. This will form a single bond. These 2 electrons form single bond. So here single bond is formed. The remaining are 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 are remaining and 2 will form single bond. So total 8 electrons are present. So octet is complete of this atom. In this case also single bond is formed. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 octet is complete, so it will form a single bond. अब this outer electron is left. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Here octet is also complete. Central atoms having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 electron is also completed at the center. Why this oxygen form a double bond? Because on the oxygen atom 2 negative charge is present, means 2 oxygen having negative charge and 1 oxygen is left, that is having no charge, means neutral, and neutral atoms that will share the 2 electrons, so it will form a double bond. Now count these electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. 24 electrons are present total and having 2 negative charges present. In the case of sulfur, sulfur having valence electron 6 plus oxygen. In case of oxygen, 6 electrons multiply 4, that or plus 2 charge. 6 plus 24 plus 2. 24 plus 2, 26 plus 6, 32 electrons. So in this case, this is sulfur atom. We count only outer electrons. In this oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All oxygen having 6 electrons. But here sulfur, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8 electrons. Why 8 electrons are present here? After forming the double bond. Okay. So 4 oxygen atoms are present and 2 having 2 negative charge. It means 2 are neutrals and 2 are having -1 charge on each oxygen atom. So this is 2 are neutral and 1 having negative charge, and this one having also negative charge. So first of all, form single bond. This one single, 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 single. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. This oxygen having octet completed. This also same. Octet is completed. In this oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 means 2 electrons are here. In this oxygen atom, suppose there is a single bond, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 2 electrons are present here. In case of sulfur, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 electrons are left for forming the 2 electrons are left for completing the octet. So central atoms having does not have an octet. So move the electrons from here, this oxygen atom, to form a double or triple bond. So it will form a double bond, and this also form a double bond. So sulfur octet is completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So single after single bond it will form a octet and having 2 negative charge. So total electron is 32. Count these electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Completed. So with the help of these total valence electrons, we can easily write down the structure of any molecule. Now the next topic is formal charge. What do you mean by formal charge? It is the charge assigned